Good morning. Welcome to Nifty prediction. My name is Narendran. To join my WhatsApp group, I'm charging 500 rupees per month. You will get live calls in the group as well as advanced predictions, and you will get Excel in the group. Let's go to today's market, how it has closed. I mean Monday market, how it has closed, and after that we will check out the Tuesday prediction. Let's go to Nifty. Nifty ended up in the flat positive 11,930.95. Pre-open is around 11,973.55. High went around 11,022.05. Low went around 11,867.20. Let's go to my group calls and the prediction how it has went. The as per the pre-opening, around 9:10 pre-opening will close 9:08. So according to that, we have all these levels are open for the trading, because in our data the levels we will get, but this particular 12,800 is doubtful, but all the other is quite open because that kind of a day it is, but somehow the market has not able to break this 11,843.68. So remaining we may not got it, but at the same time this particular 11,800 also I clearly said it is doubtful. But today it is clearly mentioned that market will having chances to fall down because of the trend it has shown, and the market has exactly that is what happened. I asked to exit from the call option because we used to keep some call option for the weekly, but I asked to exit somewhere around 11,200 around morning 31, then 11,250 around 42 41, because we know that the market will fall down, and this particular 11,000 call which I given little later because it has went low around 20, but around 26 to 27 only I asked to buy and keeping stop loss for 30, but it has went 54, almost double the money. From that particular level it has started to move, and I asked to exit somewhere because our expectation is to reach somewhere around 100 points to 200 points. If it is fall down, it might have go towards to that particular level of 100 to 200 points. So I asked to keep somewhere in the range, but still once it is reaching the high around 50 plus odd, I asked to exit somewhere in the profit range of somewhere around even 20 points in the range around 47. I asked to exit specifically for the safe traders, any safe traders, because this particular level if we exited means we would have booked some 1,500 profit. After giving that particular level, it has traded somewhere around 47 to 48 range. It has went almost 54, double the money from the bought price, but still anyone apart from safe traders, if anyone keeping for the higher profit, they need to keep 30, because initially cost is the stop loss we given 27 rupees, but 30 after that we edited, so the 30 stop losses got hit because we are looking for 100 to 200 for the high risk traders. So that is how we need to work on, because safe traders would have booked profit somewhere around 1,500 today, and after we came to know anything closing below 11,944.65, which is indicating Tuesday is the bearish market, even though if it is market opens in the gap up or maybe 40-50 points or flat positive, it might go towards to the negative direction. So market has closed below that level, so Tuesday is also indicating the negative trend, and I'll show you the level which the market has kept exactly high and low today, because we know that the range which I already told about on the previous video, exactly the market was kept a high in this particular range of average 11,000, sorry 12,021 is the average. Today high is 12,022. So you can check this high in the Monday's high, and we know that this particular positive target 2, which is 11,843, that was not able to hit because today's low is 11,867, which is nothing but it was in the range of support level 2, I think 2 or 3 it will come. 2 exactly, it is there in the support level 3, sorry, support level 3. Why it is? Because I already told many times that anything above pivot level, which is indicating bullish market, anything below the pivot level indicating bearish market. If we take the pivot level and stop loss range of 10 points, because we used to keep 10 points always as a stop loss range. So 11,000, if we subtract 10 points, 863.69 is the stop loss for the bullish. So today's low is 67. So that is the reason market after 56 points low, it is recovered from that almost 50 points. It has recovered and closed in the range of 11,930. So that is the indication. So these are all the basic rules you never should have to forget. You must have to remember these points, because anything above the market always try to go bullish, which is you need to keep stop loss 10 points from the set level. 73 means you need to subtract 10 points, so 11,863. On the other hand, if you are going for the bearish, because anything below that level, market will always try to go down, so you need to add 10 points. 11,883.69. So from this level you need to add. So that is the simple rule. It is applicable for even overall average as well. Normally if the overall average, this is the main, but still the overall average we are doing the same kind of method for the trending. For example, the trend, if anything opens above the volatile level, this is stop loss we need to maintain for the bullish trend. And if anything pre-opens below the volatile level, this overall average is the stop loss for the bearish trend. So these are all the trend, but this pivot is also kind of an indication, but it is not kind of a trend. It is kind of a high up level and low level, which is the trend is something different. It may go to any extent, but this is the pivot point. So it has a minor difference, because pivot is nothing but it doesn't have any kind of a level. It is only a pure point of center towards to that particular day. So anything above or below, that is the case. But here the overall average is also kind of the same, but it has a support point, which is the volatile level and volatile level 2. So according to the volatile level only, this overall will get activated. Anything above we need to keep stop loss, anything below we need to keep stop loss, adding 10 points. So those are all the points. Let's go to the prediction for Tuesday. The ratio indicating evenly poised, so small trader must have to avoid this particular Tuesday trading day. It is not going to be easy until if you know the trend. But anyone can bet in the option in the small way, 10 rupees, but that is purely depends on the luck and how it is your day is going to be. So as per my view, small traders must have to avoid this particular trading day if you don't know the trend, because even myself, I don't know the trend, but it is showing the volatile. But this is the safest way, I'm telling. Better avoid trading this particular trading day for the small traders. Risk traders can bet. And the average indicating downside, absolute frequency about positive 4:2, and weightage indicating negative. So negative having the higher impact comparing the positive. So we need to watch out how the pre-opening is going to be. So it is clearly not going to be that much easy day to trade. So once again, small traders keep stay away from the market. Or if you want to bet, as low as possible and bet and wait for the trend. If it is your day and the trend is also exactly matching with your side, then you can able to make profit. Otherwise it is not going to be easy. So the volatile came inside the negative, which indicates a bullish. So normally the volatile one must not came inside the negative, so which is indicating bullish with the stop loss of overall average, which is 11,873.96. is the stop loss you need to mean for the bullish market. Anything opens in the flat positive, it is indicating bullish with this particular stop loss. On the other hand, if anything opens below this level 42 to 43 points below that level, indicating the bearish market with a stop loss of 11,903.96 is the stop loss we need to maintain. On the other hand, if the market is opens in the flat positive 1 point, we need to keep stop loss in the basic level, which is 11,920 as a stop loss and go for a bull. So it is really tough day to trade. So these two level volatiles we need to watch out. And on the other hand, if anything breaks bullish open target level, which is almost 30 points plus 10, which is 40 points, breaking this particular 40 points, then it may go to any extent. And with the condition stop losses, previous closing stop loss 11,920.95 is not breaking, then it might go any level towards the bullish. It might go even 200 to 300 points as well if this particular 11,960 plus 10 points stop loss is breaking. So 11,970.70 we need to watch out. This particular level on Tuesday we need to watch out. 11,970.78 we need to watch out. If that particular level is breaking and the previous close stop loss is not breaking, means it might go to any extent. On the other hand, on the downside, the bearish open target level, which is having around 97 points, so it is quite, so 11,823 is breaking, then it will go to any extent on the downside. So it has a good huge number, almost 100 points, but comparing with the positive trend, which is having only 30 points, so we need to watch out little closer. That is the reason I am asking the small traders to stay away from the market. But as per the data, it is showing parallel, which is on the negative side 47.60. Anything opens pre-opens above this 11,883, which indicates the positive target 1 and positive target 2 and positive target 3, so which might be somewhere in the decent positive around 50 points. It might trade on Tuesday, but whether the high is matching or not, according to that, it might have chances to fall down. So the maximum points we can expect on this particular day, on the negative side 130 and positive side 40. So negative having the good amount of points comparing with the positive. So still we need to play much more cautiously on this Tuesday. It is not going to be that much easy to trade. Let's see how the market is going to give us on Tuesday. Thank you.